Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset true settings on Huawei MatePad 12X. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and now click on System and Updates. Now click on Reset and then click on Reset Tablet and click on Reset Tablet again. Now you have to draw your unlock pattern and here click on Reset Tablet. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.